Alright, so today we got a 13 Avalanche 5.3. It's got a leaking power, it's got a liking power steering hose. So we're gonna take off this liking power steering hose and we're gonna change it for a new one. It's super simple. You got 5/8 or 16 right there, little 8mm down there that you can't see, and I can't put a camera down there because it just doesn't work. You're loose already? Oh yeah. Well, lost the flashlight. That shouldn't have been loose already. Maybe that's why it was leaking. Come on. It's a Amazon knockoff, whatever, snap-on one. Flashlight. Do that without breaking off the coolant temperature sensor. Grab yourself 7 inches worth of extension and a long 3/8 socket, and just proceed to skip right off of there. Should just come right off. We'll make a mess all over the floor, right beside where I put the bucket. Okay, a new one. Unbox it, well, unbag it. And proceed to feed her through the hole. Don't drop the bolt, because sometimes it doesn't drop all the way through on these. And then you gotta dig around on that frickin' steering rack. Wipe all that greasy stuff off your fingers before you infect your tools with it. And don't just go ham on that. You will break it off. It's an M6 thread. So. Find your seal. And the bag is cheaper than that Ziploc on the bag. Put your seal on. Proceed to lose it when you drag it past this friggin' plastic loom. Break the sensor off. Stick your finger in the hole so you can find the hole. Yeah, that's kind of the thing, isn't it? Every teenage boy just wants to stick their fingers in there. Grab yourself a short wrench. Because it might be a little bit easier. Or not. Probably not. Stick your face right in front of the camera. What? Is this one not 5/8 or 16? Oh, that's a 17 now. Is that a 17 or an 18? Common theme on these GMs lately is number 18s on everything. When it originally had like 60. Yeah, that's like a 17. This 18's kind of loose. Oh, that's a terrible joke if I were to make it. This 18's kind of loose. Welcome to Peace River. I'm in Edmonton, but I grew up in Peace River. Kind of. I don't know if I ever grew up. Really? We're not getting any wrench on anything today? That nice and tight so it doesn't leak. And then we forget our little plastic clip that covers up the bolt so that nobody can just take it off in the parking lot, you know. Yet to see somebody steal a power steering hose. So I don't know what that plastic's for, but it always covers up that bolt down there, and I don't know why. Yeah, wipe your hands off yet again because, you know, it's greasy, oily junk. And then fill it up. And when I put that back on there, it's going to be the correct direction. flashlight. Move this one so we can just see. And then can you guys see? Yeah, we're looking down the hole. And then you try and pour it just about everywhere except for in the hole. And we've got fluid and a bunch of air bubbles. So yeah, that's as simple as that. Just run it, steer it side to side once or twice, shut her down, wait for all the bubbles to disappear, do that another 1 or 2 times, and then go for a drive.